Hey, welcome to week 7. So we are wrapping up. We are getting to the very end of the semester. So for those of you who've been uh, continually doing work and sticking it out, good job. Keep it up. You're so close. Um, that's that's the good news. Is we're so close. There's not really bad news because we're getting close. So I know I said getting close several times. It's redundant, and I know that. But so what I'm here to say is welcome to week 7. This week, where do we go from here? Up until this part, up until this week, we've been talking about different problems within the system. We've been talking about issues within the system, looking at race and crime and different persecution and personal beliefs and issues within the larger criminal justice system. We're at the end phase here, so this is where do we go from here? That's even what's written on the syllabus, The Future of Race, Crime, and Justice in America. So this week's lecture is just that. With everything that we've talked about so far, where do we go from here? There are two discussion boards, discussion board 8 and discussion board 9. 8 only needs a post. 9 asks for you to post and reply to somebody. So make sure you're doing that. Outside of that, I want to do this here and now before the lecture video. So next week is week 8. During week 8, your Court of Public Opinion project is due. You have one final discussion board due. And you have a final exam. Now, I will say this. For week 8, there will be a lecture video. It's a shorter one about what can we do. And essentially, what can you do personally to try and help this overarching issue of discrimination in the criminal justice system. There's no one answer here, so that's why it's kind of a last week mini lecture. But because the last two things are really the Court of Public Opinion and the final exam, during week 8, you'll have to turn in that Court of Public Opinion project. But I will post a cheat sheet, and I don't really mean a cheat sheet. Anybody who's had me before knows all of my exams are open notes, open book. I'm essentially going to give you a study guide for the final exam. So that will go live on that Monday, Sunday afternoon, as well as the exam going live. So I just want to put that out there for all of you to look forward to a brief study guide. The study guide will obviously not be the answer to every question, but it'll help guide you in the right direction and make sure you have the necessary information to complete the exam. That's it. That's what I got to say to you all for this intro. But thank you very much. I will see you in the lecture video, and then I'll see you in the last week. Hang in there.